The Sydney Opera House stands as an iconic symbol of both architectural brilliance and cultural significance. Perched gracefully along the shores of Sydney Harbour, this masterpiece of design has captivated the world with its distinctive sail-like forms and its role as a hub for artistic expression and international recognition. The Sydney Opera House is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to witness the marriage of creativity and engineering on a grand scale. Here are 16 interesting facts about Sydney Opera House. Number 1. Designed by Bjorn Utzon, the Sydney Opera House's unique design was selected from over 200 entries in an international design competition. Number 2. The iconic shell-like structures were inspired by Utzon's fascination with nature, specifically palm leaves and sections of an orange. Number 3. Construction of the Opera House took around 14 years, from 1959 to 1973, and involved numerous engineering challenges. Number 4. The exterior of the Opera House is covered with over 1 million white and cream-colored tiles imported from Sweden. Number 5. The Opera House sits on Bennelong Point, jutting out into Sydney Harbour, offering breathtaking views of the harbour and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Number 6. The complex houses multiple performance venues, including the concert hall, opera theatre, drama theatre, playhouse, and more. Number 7. The construction of the Opera House involved pioneering engineering techniques, such as using precast concrete rib vaults to support the shell structures. Number 8. The Opera House is illuminated at night with various colors during special events and celebrations. Number 9. Over 8 million people visit the Opera House annually, making it one of the most popular tourist attractions in Australia. Number 10. Acoustic excellence. The concert hall boasts exceptional acoustics, thanks in part to its unique ceiling design made from over 1,000 plywood panels. Number 11. Bjorn Utzon left the project before its completion due to conflicts with the government, but his influence and vision continue to define the Opera House's character. Number 12. The Sydney Symphony Orchestra, one of Australia's major orchestras, is based in the Opera House's concert hall. Number 13. The Sydney Opera House is a central focus of Sydney's New Year's Eve fireworks display, creating an iconic backdrop for the celebrations. Number 14. The Opera House offers a virtual reality experience that allows visitors to explore the building's interior and learn about its construction. Number 15. The sails of the Opera House have been used as canvases for artistic projections and light shows, turning the building into a dynamic visual spectacle. Number 16. The Opera House stands on land traditionally owned by the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, and its design acknowledges Aboriginal cultural influence. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.